everyone, get in here. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for always tuning in anytime I upload a new video. So this is totally different. Anyways, this video is different. I've been thinking for a very long time how I'm going to make dread to look kind of natural as possible, and I came out with a new idea and I think you guys will like it. I wanted a dread that would look as natural as possible, so I came up with this particular type of, or I came up with this idea, and I was so happy after doing this, after installing it, and I found out that it came out so well. I didn't know that this hair could come out this well. So I advise you to watch the video from beginning to the end so that you don't get to miss any single step, because each particular section comes with a different step. If you are new here, just go ahead to click on the subscribe button to join the family. Share this video to friends and family. Give the video a big thumbs up. So this style, both natural hair and relaxed hair can actually wear this hairstyle. So I decided to use her because her hair is quite short and it's natural, just to tell you or show you how possible it is for a short hair client to be able to wear this hair. First, after washing the hair, after washing the hair with shampoo and conditioner, went on to dry the hair, blow dry it, and now I'm just sectioning the hair into 3 different portions. First the front portion, then the middle portion, and then the back portion. Is not really back because I kind of extended the middle portion to the back. So let's say it's in between the middle portion and the is it just in between the middle portion? Okay, it's the back, let's just call it the back portion. Because her hair is short, any portion I push short or I part, I use rubber band to just secure it.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun.
Once I'm done with the box spray, this is what it looks like.
For the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand.
For now, I'm just going to use a black rubber band to just secure it first. But before securing it, we'll just kind of twist it a little bit. We'll twist each 3 portions a little bit, or each 3 box braid on each line. We'll just twist them together, and then use rubber band to just secure it. But I'm still going to remove the rubber band. I'm not going to leave the rubber band before installing the thread. I'm not going to install the rubber band with the thread, so I'm still going to remove the rubber band while I'm installing the thread. So just keep watching. And before I use the rubber band, I actually added oil to it, like oil, just so that the rubber band can be easily removed. That's when I want to remove it and install the thread, so I can easily remove it without breaking her hair, and also so that it doesn't get too painful on her hair. And as I'm securing it, I'm only securing like 3 rounds. I'm not doing too much, just 2 to 3 wraps of the rubber band.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so.
For now, that's it for the front. Moving on to the middle portion. Now for the middle portion, I'm just going to box braid it, but I'm not going to twist it or join the end or join the box braids together. I'm just going to install the thread. And for this particular portion, I'm box braiding it from the bottom to the tip of the hair. We'll continue doing so, and for this part, I actually made it in 2 lines.
Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young, for the animals.
Then for the last portion, the back, I've cornrowed it off camera like so, just round in circles. And then for the last tip, I just use needle and thread to secure it. I'm just showing you guys what it looks like.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah.
The hair I'm using for today's video, I use Mental LOCS. It's Xpression product. The fiber is being produced by Q-Rank. Q-Rank is a brand specialized in dreadlocks fiber. The fiber is visible in Xpression dreadlocks products, as the Q-Rank fiber is used in making products such as Xpression Goddess LOCS, Xpression Reggae Mask, Xpression Mental, and Xpression Jamaican LOCS. Q-Rank fiber promotes your passion and freedom for styling. It has natural texture like an original African hair texture. Q-Rank gives you various styles, as you can see in Xpression dreadlock products. It is a quick, reggae, and easy to wear hair. Xpression Mental LOCS texture feels very natural before and after installation. In a pack, you get about 2 bundles, and in each bundle you get about 38 pieces, meaning that for a pack or in a pack you get about 76 pieces, which is more than enough for a full hair, only if you do want the hair to be very full. For today's tutorial, I'm combining color 1 and color 30, just little bit of color 30 on her hair, very lightweight. The hair is so lightweight and the dread looks very natural and soft. For installation, you can go ahead to cut the dreads into any length of your choice, but me, I've just decided to install the middle part or the back part like that. Then once I'm done with the installation, we'll just go ahead to use scissors to cut the tips. But for the front part and the back part, I actually measured it before installing it.
Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane.
Now for proper installation, since the hair is not that long, I'm just not going to fold it. Then after that, we'll just attach the dread and then take an extra dread and then start wrapping it. We'll wrap it down to the tip of her hair.
The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah.
We'll do the same to the middle line, just the middle line. Once I get to the tip of her hair, we'll tie a knot and then take scissors to just cut off the excess dread.
Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land.
Then for the front part, we'll first of all remove the rubber band first.
We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty.
Attach the dread and then use a small comb to just comb the tip so that it will be smooth before I start wrapping the dread. And the wrap I'm taking will take an extra dread to just wrap her hair in between the dreads and then the last tip or the last tip, and then we'll then tie a knot and then use the scissors to cut off the excess after tying a knot. So we'll do this to all the front part of her hair before moving to the back installation of her hair. And the back installation is actually different from what I'm doing to the front and what I did to the middle part of the hair.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane. Making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name, I just wanna be famous. But I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate, chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself and my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate, bitch, you can fucking fight me.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself and my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly.
It's helpful. Hope you enjoyed, hope you're able to learn something new. If you did, and if you did not, just give the video a big thumbs up by clicking the like button to like the video. Share the video to friends and family. Subscribe if you are new here, and leave a comment on what you think about the hairstyle. If you are going to rock this hairstyle or not, just let me know. Let me get your ideas on what you think about the hairstyle. I just thought about it and I felt it would be very interesting, and it will also like look so natural, and it came out so well. I'm loving the look, I'm loving the hair. So yeah, thank you very much. We'll talk to you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.